Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1972 Nova. Got the owner here, so let's tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today?
Good, excellent.
Good. What a car, man. You got a lot of nice stuff in it.
Thank you.
And she's finished in red. Love the big block hood, reminiscent of the big block Corvette. It's like a brand new chrome bumper up front, spoiler on the bottom. So what do we have under the hood?
That's a 383 stroker motor.
Okay.
Done out here by Bob's Crankshaft on Long Island.
Okay.
All good forged Scat internals and Edelbrock heads.
Roller rockers, right?
Roller rockers.
Aluminum heads.
Aluminum Edelbrock heads. Holley 750 double bumper and a RPM air gap intake.
Yeah, fully electronic ignition with a 6AL. It's pretty nasty, huh? What kind of horse you think?
Sounds good. Bob's today's crankshaft, he's estimated it about 475.
Yeah, I believe it. I love the stroker motors. They just run real rich, high rev, nice and light up front, cool in the summer. You know, the big blocks just run hot, heavy up front. Plenty of torque, but they don't zip around like a stroker, you know?
Yeah, it runs great. It stays cool.
Looks like a new rear bumper as well. Stripes all cleared in. Money's in the back. Got a mini tub. So what do we got under here?
That is a 10-bolt, 8.5 ring gear with a Eaton True Track Posi, Moser 31 spline axles, and Hotchkis leaf
sway bar.
springs and sway bar. Yes.
Cool. Posi, right?
All Posi. Yes.
What kind of gear? 305?
That's a 323 rear gear.
New stainless tank. It's like new leaves. All bushings and everything done, right?
Yeah, the whole entire suspension is Hotchkis.
Awesome. Nice big gear back here, tire back here. It's a 275. Fits beautiful because of the mini tub. Hood fits beautiful too. Probably took a little tweaking to get it right?
Yeah, I mean, I had the body shop do it. I would stop over every couple of days, and he put some effort into doing that. Like paint stripes and all.
Love it.
He put his time into it.
Stripes are all painted and cleared over. Real nice fitment of all the panels.
And obviously the hinges had to be replaced to work with now fiberglass hood.
Yeah. Shuts beautiful too. They don't hang up in the corners or nothing. All new stainless around the windows and surround. Even this quarter window, right?
Yes. Yeah. All of the vent windows were removed. New felts, re-chromed.
Cool.
New glass, new handles on the inside.
Wow. Front and rear felts. Nice and crispy. Real pretty. American Racing wheels. Looks like new lenses on both sides. Inside we got buckets.
Yeah, the buckets as well as the rear seats are all fresh foam in there. And repadded with fairly new seat covers.
Dyno mat all the way around.
Dyno mat all the way around.
New carpet. Grand steering wheel. It's a little old school. I had that on my Galaxy, my first car.
Yeah.
Same steering wheel. Cool. Brand new sills all the way around. Still has the plastic on it. So want to rip that off.
And
new door panels.
This here is a manual in case you just want to turn the fans on by yourself instead of waiting for the thermostat to turn them on.
Oh, cool. You also have exhaust cutouts.
Exhaust cutouts, yes. Those are remote too, by the way.
Oh, on the
wireless key fob.
Oh, very cool. Cool. Seat belts all the way around. The headliner looks fantastic. New package tray. What kind of tranny?
That's a Muncie M21 built by a fellow here on Long Island.
Yep.
Muncie Larry, he calls himself. It's
very
got
well known
auto
guy.
gear super case, billet mid plate, and it has Z gears.
Cool.
which gives the first gear a 297 first gear ratio, which works great with the 323 rear.
Yeah.
But yet you're still cruising nice on the highway at the 1-to-1 ratio.
Wow. Would she clock in like around 70, 60, 70 miles an hour?
It's about 2,600 RPM.
That's great. Showing 60,416 miles. New gauges. Oh, pretty. You fired up? Sounds so good. So 383 stroker. Got hooker super comp headers leading to dual exhaust and cutouts. Willwood master. Got Willwood disc brakes up front. Front runner setup. Power steering. High amp alternator finished in chrome. Large Be-Cool aluminum radiator with dual fans on a switch. Got a 750 under here, Holley, double pumper. MSD electronic distributor with matching 6AL. High-rise manifold. Edelbrock fuel pump, aluminum heads. They're Edelbrock Reformer 6089. K&N air filter. He's got a spinner on the top, but he just left it at home. MSD Blaster coil, MSD wires. They're all Frenched in, so they don't touch anything. Battery relocated to the trunk with a monster cable all the way back. Oh, it's got a big block heater core. Gives you a little more room. They relocate the hoses on the inside. Be-Cool catch can. All new relays, wires. Real nice fitment to that hood. Jeez. You buzz it around a little? Dash pad too, huh? Man, this thing sounds good. All the gauges were?
Yep.
Speedo, fuel. Thing's punchy, huh? You can hear that tranny. Love that whine. How long have you owned it?
About 5 years now.
Clutch.
It's a McLeod.
Man, this thing wants to go.
It goes very good.
Set it up reliable too. Love the frame connectors and everything. Done right. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more information on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your car.